In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a goal setting page in Notion. To get started, open Notion and create a fresh page dedicated to your goals. This gives you one clear space where you can plan, organize, and revisit everything that matters to you. When you name the page, choose something simple and easy to recognize, like goal setting or personal goals, so it's easy to return to later. The main idea here is to build a page that feels practical and motivating, not cluttered or overwhelming. Once your page is ready, begin by writing your long-term goals first. These are the bigger outcomes you want to work toward over time, whether that means personal growth, career progress, health improvement, learning a new skill, or any other important area of your life. Starting with long-term goals helps you focus on the bigger picture before getting lost in small tasks. Be as clear as possible when writing them so each goal has a strong and meaningful direction. After that, break each goal into smaller action steps. This is where your page becomes truly useful. A big goal can feel intimidating on its own, but once you divide it into manageable pieces, it becomes much easier to act on. Think of these action steps as the practical tasks or milestones that move you forward. Keep them specific and realistic so you always know what to do next instead of feeling stuck. Next, add deadlines for each goal or milestone. Deadlines create structure and help turn good intentions into real plans. In Notion, you can assign dates so your goals feel tied to a timeline rather than sitting there as ideas with no urgency. If a long-term goal feels too far away, setting deadlines for smaller milestones can make progress easier to measure and maintain. From there, create a database to track goal status. This makes your system more organized and interactive. You can use the database to list each goal, its action steps, its deadline, and its current status. Having everything in one place helps you quickly see what's in progress, what's completed, and what still needs attention. Then add progress indicators so you can see how close you are to completion. This visual element is helpful because it gives you a quick sense of momentum. Even small progress can feel more rewarding when you can actually see it represented on the page. Finally, review and update your goals weekly or monthly. This keeps your system alive and useful over time. Regular check-ins help you stay accountable, adjust timelines if needed, and make sure your goals still reflect what you want. With a simple routine like this, your Notion goal-setting page can become a powerful tool for consistent progress.